YouTube, this is Geographic Scholar, and today's video will be about the port city of Murmansk, Russia. As you can see by the picture, that is Murmansk, Russia, and its port, right there. As you can see by this map here, we're located in a general area where Murmansk is located, here in the Murman Peninsula. Now, we scroll closer. That is the city of Murmansk. Scroll in a little closer. Now, there we are. Here at the Barents Sea, and as you can see, Murmansk is located above the Arctic Circle. It is the largest port city located north of the Arctic Circle. It is also important to note that this area right here remains ice-free throughout the year. Now you would think it's located above the Arctic Circle. That can't really be possible. Well, I'm going to show you how that works. We have a Robinson projection map, very good for weather currents. Now, I'm going to show you how Murmansk is able to be a very good port with a very ice-free location. This right here is the Gulf Stream. Now, the Gulf Stream goes here, becomes the North Atlantic Drift, turns into the Norwegian Current, and it goes all the way up here past the Arctic Circle. Here, these islands right here, Spitsbergen, and you got Murmansk right there. This relatively warm ocean current stretches all the way to the Barents Sea. And basically the North Atlantic Drift, what it does is it brings relatively warm weather to Western Europe, much warmer than it would be for its latitude. You look at Canada and then you look at places like England and Ireland and France. You look at those latitudes and you would think it would be very cold considering it's on the same latitude as parts of Canada. But actually these ocean currents actually keep the place very mild in the winter. And the North Atlantic Drift turns into the Norwegian Current, goes all the way up here, and it's helped to make Murmansk a very important port. In fact, I'll give you a little history on this. Murmansk is a relatively young city founded in 1916. The purpose was to basically get military supplies shipped, and the problem was that an ice-free harbor was needed. And with St. Petersburg, the problem is it freezes in the winter. However, the area near the Barents Sea, where you can have ships coming out of Murmansk and that part of Russia, this is what the solution was. They built a railroad that would go all the way up to the northern part of the Murman Peninsula. And with the ice-free waters off of the coast, that would help for shipping. And for that reason, it has made it a very important port. In fact, Murmansk is a major center for the icebreaker fleet. And basically, you have icebreaker ships that go down to St. Petersburg and go to other parts and clear ice, sort of break up that ice. And that basically is how Murmansk is able to stay relatively ice-free, despite being so far north. This is Geographic Scholar signing off.